In this video, we're going to be discussing the difference between a buy and a sell in the Forex market. Now, as a trader, it's very important that you understand the difference between the two because you can make money both buying and selling currency pairs in the financial exchange market. So to better understand the psychology of this, let's begin to think like a retailer. A retailer likes to purchase goods when they're low and sell goods when they're high. The reason being is because as the goods exchange in value, they stand to make a profit. Now we can apply the same exact concept to the Forex market where we're buying and selling currency pairs and making money as the value is exchanging. Let's take a look at the live charts here. We went ahead and highlighted different points in the market where the market was high and low. These are the best places for a trader to want to buy and sell inside of the market. The whole goal of making money is to learn when to buy, and you make money as the exchange rate is changing. As an example, when the market is extremely low, we look to put in buy orders, and as the market is coming up, we get to make money. And the same is as true as when the market is high in several examples here. When the market comes to a high point, we look to sell, and as the market comes down, we're able to make money. Okay? Now, a little bit of vocabulary just for you guys. As the market is beginning to come up, you will hear a trader say the market is going long. Long simply means the market is going to start going in an uptrending motion. That means that the trader is going to get ready to buy the currency pair. Now, when a trader says we're going to short the currency pair, that means that the trader is going to sell a certain currency pair and expect the market to come down. Now, the only exception to the foreign exchange market is that you want to be sure that you're on the right side of buying versus selling. I'm going to show you an example here. Let's say you're looking to put in a long position or a buy position right here and you're expecting the market to come up. If you are correct, then what will happen is that you would begin to make money. However, if you put in a buy order and the market begins to come down, this is where you lose money inside of the market. So as a trader, it's very important that you continue to develop your skills so you're able to identify the high and low points in the market so you know when to buy and when to sell. That concludes our training on buying versus selling in the foreign exchange market. We hope you enjoyed this information and we'll see you in the next video.